In the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. As Muhammad, peace be upon him, narrated, if anyone travels on a road in search of knowledge, Almighty Allah will cause him to travel on one of the roads of paradise. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tariq Masood. Thank you very much for watching my video and your wonderful support to make this channel a grand success. We are a family, a partner. Please share and subscribe our channel if you haven't done so far. We as a team can work together to convert challenges into opportunities and opportunity into success stories. These success stories can be monetized into value addition in the world by large. Okay, today I'm going to discuss oil and gas production, my lecture number 29, exploration, production, upstream, midstream, refining, petrochemical, differentiated performance, enabling profit optimization, lecture number 29. Okay, before my lecture, I used to read a Quranic verse. Qala Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, open my chest and ease my tasks for me, and loose a knot from my tongue, that they may understand my sayings. Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, advance me in my knowledge and true understanding. Okay. I have also provided my WhatsApp number and email address at the end of my presentation. Please send me your input and comments through WhatsApp and email address. Thank you very much. Okay, oil and gas production. Oil and gas production introduction. Facilities process, well, reservoir and wellhead management system, upstream facilities management system, midstream facility management system, refining facilities, petrochemicals, utility system, unconventional, conventional resources, and environment effects. Currently, we are discussing petrochemicals. What is the ultimate goal? Shaping the clean and sustainable global energy. Plan to deliver a more than 300 lecture next couple of years. Okay, oil and gas production, downstream oil and gas processing facilities, lecture number 29. Today, we are going to discuss petrochemical synthesis gases. Okay. Key takeaway points क्या लेकर आओ इधर synthesis gas. Synthesis gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. It can be created from coal or methane reacted with steam at high temperatures. Okay, first I will demonstrate the reaction with the coal. The carbon here plus steam H2O, it will produce hydrogen and carbon monoxide. Okay, or from methane here CH4 reacting with half oxygens, it will produce CO plus hydrogen. Okay, it will further react with CH4 plus steam here, and it will produce carbon monoxide plus 3 hydrogen atom. Okay, lean combustion steam reforming. Okay, now we're going to discuss synthesis gas structure. This is my primary petrochemicals. It will produce synthesis gas. Synthesis gas will be in two segments, in methanol and ammonia. Methanol for the reactor and produce formaldehyde, and formaldehyde and further processed produced melamine formaldehyde, urea formaldehyde, phenol formaldehyde, and acetyl resins. Okay, then the methanol further produced the MTBE, methyl methacrylate, and dimethyl terephthalate. Okay, so ammonia will react and it will produced a urea. Okay, now from my next slide, we will discuss each components. Okay, methanol-based product, first methanol, second melamine resins, urea formaldehyde, phenolmaldehyde, polyoxomethylenes, MTB, methyl methacrylate, dimethyl terephthalate. Okay, methanol. First, methanol, a colorless alcohol, is a chemical used in the production of formaldehyde, acetic acid, and methyl methacrylate (MMA), and is used as a solvent in many applications. It is also used to produce MTB and other products and can be used in fuels. Second is melamine resins. Okay, or melamine formaldehyde, also incorrectly melamine, is a hard thermosettling plastic mixture made from melamines and formaldehyde by polymerizations. This plastic is often used in kitchen utensils or plates and is the main constituent in the high pressure laminates and laminate flooring. Okay, third is a urea formaldehyde. Okay, is a non-transparent thermosetting resins or a plastic made of from urea and formaldehyde. It is used in adhesive finishes, MDF, and molded object. It is attributes including high tensile strength, heat distribution temperatures, low water absorptions, mold shrinkage, high surface hardness, and elongations at break. Okay, my next is phenol formaldehyde. Is a low-cost basic resins. Addition of the appropriate fillers can generate high temperature resistance grades from 185 degrees C to 370 degrees F, and normal phenolic are resistance to 150 degrees C. Application include moldings, bottle tops, resins, chemical resistant coating for metals, laminates, water lubricated bearings, and foams for thermal insulations. Okay, next is polyoxymethylenes, POM, also known as acetyl resins, polytrioxanes, a polyformaldehyde, and a paraformaldehyde is an engineering plastic used to make gears, bushings, and other mechanical parts. It is also known in variant trade names such as Delrin, silicones, and hostiforms. It is the most important polystyl resins as a thermoplastic with good physical and processing properties. Okay, methyl tetrabutyl ethers (MTB) is used in gasoline to boost the octane rating and to decrease toxic emissions in the exhaust. As an octane enhancer, MTB delivers high octane numbers at relatively low cost. A direct effect of the use of MTBE is the reduction of both regulated emissions, CO unburned hydrocarbons, and unregulated emission. Okay, next is methacrylate MMA. The principal application of MMA is the production of polymethyl methacrylate PMMA acrylic plastics. Also, MMA is used for production of the copolymers methyl methacrylate butadiene esters MBS, used as a modifier for PVC. MMA polymers and copolymers are used for waterborne coating such latex, house painting, etc. Okay, the last component of methanol-based products, dimethyl terephthalate (DMT), is an ester of terephthalic acids and methanol and is used in the production of polyesters, including polyethylenes terephthalate and polytrimethylene terephthalate. It is consists of benzene with methyl ester groups attached. DMT has largely been replaced by pure terephthalic acid (PTA) as the preferred industrial route to polyester production. Okay, ammonia based product. First, we are going to discuss ammonia. Ammonia is a pungent smell, colorless, gaseous, alkaline, a compound of nitrogen and hydrogen. that is very soluble in water and can easily be condensed to a liquid by cold pressure. It is manufactured by the direct combination of hydrogen and nitrogen under a pressure over a catalyst. The main process is still the Haber-Bosch synthesis invented in 1915, operating at 15 to 25 MPa megapascal and between 300 to 550 degrees Celsius in 4 reaction chambers with catalyst. Anhydrous ammonia is main product for the manufacturing of nitrogen fertilizer. It is also a building block for the synthesis of many pharmaceuticals for explosive and is used in many commercial cleaning products. Okay. The second is urea. Urea is synthesized from ammonia and carbon dioxide. It is named for its presence in a human and most land animal urine except fish and birds. Dissolved in water, it is neither acidic nor alkaline. Urea is widely used in fertilizer as a convenient source of nitrogen. Urea is also an important raw material for the chemical industry in animal feed, plastic, and resins. Okay, this was my last slide, and now we're going to conclude today's lecture. Okay, conclusion. Today we have discussed aromatics, synthesis gas, phenol and phenol-based products, methanol, melamine resins, urea formaldehyde, phenol formaldehyde, polyoxomethylenes, MTB, methyl, methacrylate, dimethyl terephthalate. And then we have discussed ammonia and ammonia products, ammonia and urea. Okay. My next next lecture, so we will discuss recap, aromatics, xylene, toluenes and its derivatives, olefins, methylenes and its derivatives, synthesis gas and its synthesis gas based products. References: Qatar Petroleum, Doha, Qatar; Oil and Gas Development Corporation Limited, Pakistan, OGDC; the World Energy Outlook 2013; US Geological Survey; US Department of Energy; Schlumberger's Oilfield Glossary; International Energy Agency (IEA) Wikipedia; Oklahoma State Margin Wells Commission's Pumpers Manual; State Oils Fact Sheets Nordic; Nordic Standard Norway; The Story of Oil in Pennsylvania; Air Liquid Gas Encyclopedia; Natural Gas from Wellhead to Burner Tip. Okay. Okay, together everyone achieve more. Please do not hesitate to send me your feedback, comments, t.masood.dear@bath.edu. I have also provided my WhatsApp number. Please send me your input on my WhatsApp number as well. Thank you very much for your precious time. Please stay at home, stay safe, inspired, and blessed. Thank you very much.